As you can see, sun's up. Definitely didn't make it to the beach for sunrise. Slept right through it. I want to go to, I can't remember the name of it, but it's from the hostel. It's a 30-minute walk, so I'm hoping by the time I get to ATM and something to eat, I'll be about halfway. And go see how the beach is. The bus station again. It's not a long walk, but I think it's about halfway to that beach, maybe a little closer. I think I found where I'm going. Just gotta get over there. There's some big waves over there. Alright, it's supposed to be a 13-minute walk to the beach over there from here. It's a nice little view from here. It's a big beach. I'm pretty sure it's probably a couple of different beaches, but it's nice looking. Look at that beach. You can see those massive waves from over here. Huge. Don't know if there's gonna be any swimming, but I'm gonna go down there and at least sit and watch for a little while. Looks like a place to sit up here. I'm gonna go there, sit and watch this for a little while. Oh yeah. Dang. Those waves are huge. It's part of the drive for the surfing around here, those big waves. Yay, beach. There's actually a lot of access points along this whole way. I've passed up several beaches, but I want to get to that big long stretch there. Puerto Escondido, Oaxaca, capital of Del Sur. I think it's pretty now. So I made the turn to go down to this beach. And to be honest, I'm not even sure if this is the right beach I was wanting, but I think I can see it up there. So I'll go hang out down here for a little bit. And I'm hoping I can just walk down the beach. One of them makeshift cobblestone roads. But the beach is right down there. I don't know if you can see it or not. Let me stop. It's just right down there. Oh, I've made it to the beach. And the roar of the waves, I don't even know if y'all be able to hear this. The roar of it is just almost deafening. And these waves aren't even big. The big ones are down the way further, which I'm heading that way. It's kind of nice though to be on a beach all by yourself. Waves are getting bigger, real big down there. No swimming sign. That's alright. I figure you could anyways. I'd drown if I tried right now. More stairs. Yay. But I'm gonna go up there and overlook the beach. We made it up here. Taking a break on one of these I don't know what you call them, little roofs it looks like. It all looks like buildings with windows and doors in it. Like a old little city. I get up here and I get a couple of vultures checking me out. Looks like I found the strip for the beach. Oh, smoked fish. No, sir. That looks like the strip for the beach here. All the restaurants, the sidewalks, sand sidewalk. I'm gonna walk down this way, see what there is. Big cactuses. A lot of bars and stuff. There's a co-working space back there, but the Selena. But I wasn't impressed by that one in Playa del Carmen, where I stayed for like 10 days or whatever it was. So, yeah, plenty of pool tables. I know a couple of friends of mine that would really enjoy that. Everything looks pretty neat down here. Quite well taken care of, it looks like. It's not a lot of trash. See the fresh like rake marks in the sand here. massive waves. My battery's done, so I'm gonna head up here. I'm gonna take a taxi back. I'm not walking, I'm tired. I'm hoping it's not more than about 50, 60 pesos. Figured on the rip off side of it, 100. That's $5. It's not too bad. This beach is wide. He's a cute kid. Notice that my voice changes when I see a cat. I figure I'd come down here, get some tacos to go, and hit the OXXO up, get my little aloe vera drink. I don't know if it's doing anything, but I figured I'd try to drink it as many days as I could remember in a row. I think I'm going on about a week now. And maybe a bottle of water. Alright. Oh yeah, earlier I was taking the taxi back. He didn't even try to rip me off. My Spanish is bad, but I think he said 55 pesos. I gave him a little bit more. Mainly because he didn't rip me off. he was happy about it. But like in Playa del Carmen, they just try to rip you off. They don't even care. Back in the day, Thailand used to be pretty bad about their taxis. But enough people were complaining about it. They said the police got involved and everything. They even set up a special hotline to call if a taxi was trying to rip you off. So I'm sure it's still out there, but a lot of the taxis ripping people off declined after they did that. But it's been a few years since I was there, so I'm not sure. So I ordered 3 quesadillas al pastor to go. But I noticed too that there's a burger place that I thought was closed across from where I went the other night and had that burger. It's open. Crazy. Where I went and had that big burger I couldn't finish, the jalapeno on top. And then there's this place. It's another burger place that was on the map, and I looked at it, but it was closed when I came through here. But it's open now, so I might have to go and check it out. But yeah, I'm about to get back to the hostel, so holler at y'all tomorrow.